guys, welcome back to World Mechanics, guys. In today's video, guys, after watching our video, you'll probably never ever buy new windshield wipers for a long time, and we'll explain why, guys. There is a way to save your old ones, okay, and make them like new instead of buying new ones and spend, let's say, $30–40 on windshield wipers. Now we have that Dodge Journey, guys, which has the original wipers on it installed in 2012. And we'll show you what they look like, how they clean, and how we're going to restore them now. Okay, they don't clean at all. And okay, we're going to try to do that now. What I'll do, okay, I'm going to turn the ignition on so we can actually use the sprayer. But let me pull my window down up so we don't get wet. Now, check out now, guys. Okay, they don't clean at all. Check out the residue that they leave. It's like, okay, it's terrible. So definitely, guys, they need to be fixed. Stay with us and we'll show you how. So we're going to remove the wiper. Okay, this is the wiper, guys. We're going to get okay, right here now on this side. Okay, let us show you. There is a place you can see, okay, where okay, that blade is stuck, and we're going to attempt to remove the blade out of it, and we'll show you what we're going to do. So you can see right here we have place, okay, a stop that prevents the blade from coming out. So if we squish those teeth in at the same time, both of them at the same time, okay, we'll be able to actually pull the blade out. Okay, we almost had it. So if we come on the bottom side, through the bottom side, okay, we'll show you how. Okay, perfect. It came out. Now remember how you remove it. Now, what do we need to do, guys? Okay, we'll need to flip it the other way around now, and we'll show you, okay, how to do that. That metal piece, okay, both of them, pull them out. Okay, now I'm going to grab the blade, turn it. Okay, 180 degrees. We're going to install it here now, in the top canal. Some of them are easier than that. And we need to start the one on this side as well. And just go down, squeeze them in. Okay, check it out, perfect. Now, what do we need to do? We need to go back in the wiper arm here, in the holder. And you need to start feeding it, guys, in that canal. Through every loop that you have. Okay, and then one more towards the end. Okay, perfect. Now I need to push in until it jumps the teeth. Perfect, just like that. Now, we need to get that too, guys. Okay, this is a wiper cleaner. What this does is going to clean the blade now. Okay, you get it on the blade and you start going back and forth. This too is like super cheap, excuse me. It's not expensive at all. You can find it listed in the description of the video below. So we're going to do that for a couple seconds. Okay, just clean the whole thing. It's going to take that burnt plastic off of it, that burnt rubber, that turn into plastic, because you know the rubber gets really hard. And we'll see if it's going to work better on the car now. Okay, we're going to do absolutely the same thing to the other one now and see what it looks like. On this wiper here, we're going to remove it, and I'll show you another trick now. We'll show you guys what you can do. Now that plastic piece, okay, if you guys remove it, okay, grab it, pull it out, and if you turn it now, okay, on this side, so yep, this is the correct way. You just twist it, and now the wiper, instead of laying on this, okay, like it was smashed this way, it will start laying like that. We need to clean it again, so we'll get our wiper cleaner. We're going to clean this one, and make sure you stay until the end with us to see what it looks like. So the same wiper, we put it on. Okay, and I'm going to go inside in the moment of the truth to see if that thing is working. So let's see now. Okay, so ignition on. Okay, let's see now. Okay guys, like brand new wipers. Okay, we just need to barely clean. There is one little bitty line, so we need to apply just a little bit more cleaner, okay, on this one. But you can definitely see it's like a brand new wiper again. So definitely guys, no need to buy new wipers. So hopefully the video will be helpful, and see you guys next time.